Betsy
and Cameron
from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. We are going to be doing our July Patreon tutorial. So if you are a Patreon member for $4 or more a month, you automatically can go and download these SVGs, and these SVGs are not for personal use only, so you can make items and sell them. But if you are a Kitastic, which is the $45 a month, you get all the supplies that you're gonna need to make this. So, what you're gonna need are your SVGs, which are available on my Patreon page, which is www.patreon.com/BetsyGocher. You're going to need a beach towel, which we are using these lime green beach towels. Isn't that so pretty? You'll receive that in your kit, as well as 4 colors of Deco Softs, which the 4 colors of Deco Soft metallics that we are going to be using are the Deco Soft Aqua, the Deco Soft Silver, the Deco Soft Charcoal, and the Deco Soft Hot Pink. You're also going to need either a heat press or iron, which my heat press is preheated to 305 degrees for 5 to 7 seconds. You're also gonna need your Easy Weeding wooden pick, a Teflon sheet, your t-shirt guide, and a set of scissors. And just so you know, the anniversary sale ends on Friday, June 21st at 12 midnight Central Standard Time. And if you use the code anniversary3, how much do you save?
25%
off your entire order. Now, if you'll give us a moment to get the camera angle changed, we will show you everything that we are going to do today. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do for the July Patreon tutorial is you're going to need to go to my Patreon page, which is www.patreon.com/BetsyGocher. You're going to click on the post link up at the top, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says July Patreon SVG. Now, there are 2 different designs, which is Feeling a Little Beachy, and there's also Beauty and the Beach. So you get 2 different choices for that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Beauty and the Beach SVG on my towel. So I'm going to click on that red link and click Save. Now I'm going to go down here to Google Chrome, select Upload, go to Upload Image, Browse. Then I'm going to go down and scroll all the way to the bottom of my Downloads folder, select the Beauty and the Beach SVG, select Open, then select Save. Now I'm going to select that image and click Insert Image. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and ungroup the whole thing and delete that green background because we do not need to cut the green background. Now I want to go ahead and select my whole design. Because my vinyl is 20 inches wide, I do want to adjust the size of this just a hair. Actually, no, we can leave it that size. We're actually going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to change that to 22 inches. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and select my pink layer and weld it together. Then I'm going to go ahead and select my gold layer and weld it together. And for my blue layer, so that way I'm not wasting a whole lot of vinyl, I'm going to go ahead and ungroup that blue layer and just weld together the blue lines and the water droplets. And then the star can go anywhere whenever I send it to cut. Now I'm going to go up to the top and click Make It. Let's see, hold on. Okay, so as you can see, it's telling me my beauty and is a little big. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and undo all of my welds. Now, I'm going to take the gold layer and weld it together. We're going to ungroup the pink layer and just weld together the word beauty. We're going to go ahead and ungroup the blue layer and just weld together the waves and the water droplets. Now we can click on Make It. Okay, so as you can see, now it's all laid out. So I'm going to go ahead and mirror each of the designs. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and click Continue. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose regular iron-on, and we're going to go ahead and cut this. Now, if you'll give me a moment to get the camera angle changed, I will show you everything that we are going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my towel with the tag end down, and we're going to lay it across our heat press with the seams towards the bottom. Okay, so that's pretty straight on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, trying to hold this on with my belly. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. So as you can see, that hangs off a little bit on both sides, which is fine because I'm going to show you how to work with that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and heat press down the center portion. And this doesn't have to be exact. Just for a couple of seconds. And then shift it over. My Teflon sheet is stuck to the bottom of my press. Ah! Relay that down. Okay. Okay, so that half is stuck good. Now we're going to move it over so we can get this side. And I didn't use my t-shirt guide because I'm using the bottom seam on this towel as my lineup point. Okie dokie, that's hot. Now, this side is cool. So we're going to pull it slowly. Try to avoid getting all your daughter's hair in the vinyl.
I'm molting.
Shedding. Okay. Now hand me the word beauty.
And the seashell stuck to it.
Okay. Hand me the blue. Oh, Cameron, come bring me some scissors, Bubba. Because I need to cut this little star off. Okay, we'll save the star. So as you can see, I kind of laid out the rest of it so that way I can get it started for sticking. So that way it doesn't shift on me. I'm going to shift it over to make sure all of that B is on there now. And part of the reason why I chose the Deco Softs for this, because they are so nice and soft, you're not going to scratch your skin or feel it on the towel itself. Okay. Versus some of the other vinyls. Okay. And I love a good oversized design. Okay. Oop. Okay. Can go ahead and pull that little guy off. Place our starfish. And I'm going to go ahead and heat with the plastic still on because I didn't have the top of the T under the press. So I want to make sure it's good and stuck. Just so you know. And double checking whenever you are doing an oversized design is extremely important. Okay. But you can really start to see the texture of the towel showing through. So that's how you know it's good and applied. See, that's one of the things though, you saw how I kind of broke that. It's because that Deco Soft material is so soft. There we go. Okay. But once we take and reheat everything, it's not even going to be noticeable. Okay, so now we're going to start with this side and then work our way over. And this you only press for 3 to 4 seconds. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do this side. Watch your hand. Don't want to burn you. And again, the heat is set at 305 degrees. Okay. Now let's take a look at how good that looks. But you see what I'm saying about how soft that deco is? If you don't wait till it's cool, it will break. But that is in there, it's not going anywhere, wash, dry, and it's still comfortable to lay on when you're at the beach, the pool, the river, or even for in your bathroom. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you have any ideas for Patreon boxes, let me know down in the comments. Or any other tutorials you want to see. Don't forget to check us out on social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as our, that's it, I guess. And remember, we post new videos every single weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I guess that's it. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.